Lowering sequence initiated.
Cables engaging. Watch the tension.
Winch 1 engaged. Start spooling.
Tension holding steady. Cable deploying fast.
Lower the crane. Easy now.
Winch 2 engaging. Tension coming up.
Divers ready on the deck.
We are clear of the seabed.
Confirmed. Moving to Station 3 to check rigging.
Lowering slowly. Watch your lines.
Hold steady on the starboard side.
All right, easy now. Bring it down.
Lowering complete. Secure the starboard side.
Port side secure. Tensioning clamps now.
All clear. Lift successful.
The corrosion has compromised the structural integrity here. Confirmed. The salt damage is worse than anticipated on the J235.
All right, take the strain.
Taking the strain, hovering now. Watch your clearance.
Looks good. Bring it up slowly.
Hoist her up, easy. Steady on the traverse, coming left.
All right, bring it up slow. Keep the tension even.
Steady on the right side, we're clear of the hull.
Tension holding firm. All right, clear on the left. Keep it steady. Clear on the right. Moving forward.
The salt water really did a number on the undercarriage.
We'll need the overhead crane to lift it and inspect the axles right away. This corrosion near the axle is worse than the survey indicated. Pull up the schematic. We need to reinforce that section before the lift.
These sensor readings confirm the water damage is extensive.
It's worse than we thought, and we are looking at a full rebuild. All right, pull it up. Steady now. It's heavier than it looks. The salt crystallization really seized it.
Bring it down slow. Watch the mounts.
Looks good. Keep coming.
She's in. Great job, team.
Running system diagnostics now.
Interface is booting up.
All parameters nominal.
Look at those readings. We did it. Woo! She purrs like a kitten. What a breakthrough.
Front bumper secured. Wheels are torqued and inspected.
Looks good, everyone. Great job on the rebuild.